This spice carousel holds 12 spices and dispenses 1/4 teaspoon with a simple twist. Its rotating design makes it quick and easy to grab the right spice without needing spoons or digging through cabinets. Stackable for larger collections, it also comes with labels for easy organization, keeping your spices neat and ready to use. This pasta maker automatically mixes and shapes 2 to 3 servings of fresh pasta in 18 minutes. It includes discs for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, letting you easily switch pasta types. Add ingredients like eggs or spinach for variety. It's fully automatic, handling all the hard work for you. This wireless meat thermometer tracks both the internal and ambient temperature with a single probe. The app provides real-time updates on your phone or tablet, so no need to hover over the grill. It guides you step by step and even estimates cooking and resting times. The Dexus heavy-duty grip mat flexible cutting board set is the perfect solution. This innovative set of 4 cutting boards in vibrant colors, blue, green, yellow, and red, makes meal prep easier and more efficient. If you're tired of scrubbing dishes by hand, this ultrasonic kitchen washer is the perfect solution. Using 400 watts of power and patented technology, it removes stains and pesticides from dishes and food without the need for chemicals. Simply place it in your sink, and it cleans everything from plates to fruits. Compact and easy to install, it not only saves water, but also delivers industrial-level cleaning for your kitchen essentials. This cocktail and margarita machine lets you enjoy expertly crafted drinks with ease. Just insert a cocktail capsule, select your preferred strength, and it mixes everything for you in seconds. The capsules created by master mixologists include all the key ingredients for popular drinks. No need to stock up on mixers, juices, or syrups. Just keep your favorite spirits on hand.